Helmet na lang. Wala na, helmet na lang ako. Di na ako mag-iinin yan.
Siyempre, 50-50 yan, pustahan.
Mainit eh. Helmet na lang, boss. Pwede ba? Helmet na lang. Parang kung saan mo bakit yung ulo nito. Ito yung pakinuhan mo ha. Kala ko mananalo ka sa amin ha. Ikaw. Hindi na. Parehas tayong pula dito. Oo, parang iba nila. Makakatahan nila. Pero dugo tayo. Parang hindi alam ka kung dudugo eh. Wala nang babawan eh. Alam ko lang yun eh.
I see what I think I will. Did a thing I seen, sure they get low. Ain't the same when it's up that close. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. Rip the pole, I got the big ball. I'ma say that I prefer them no clothes. I'm into that, I love women exposed. She threw it back at me, I gave her more. Cash ain't a problem, I know where it goes. She had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a smash. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got Hey, shawty, what I gotta do to get you home? My jeans full of guap and they ready for shows. Cadillacs Maybach for the sexy grown. Patron on the rocks that'll make you moan. One stack, come on. Two stacks, come on. Three stacks, come on. Now that's $3 grand. What you think I'm playing? Baby girl, I'm the man. I ain't been in rubber bands. That's what I told her. Her legs on my shoulder. I knew it was over. That Henny and Cola got me like a soldier. She ready for Rover. I couldn't control her. So lucky on me, I was just like a clover. Shorty was hot like a toaster. Sorry, but I had to fold her like a pornography poster. She showed her apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a smash. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Yeah, she was worth the money. The mama took my cash, and I ain't want it back. The way she bent that ass, got her them papers, tattoo above her crack. I had to handle that. I was on it, sexy woman, kept me shown and made me want it. 2 in the morning, I'm zoning, and them rose bottles foaming. She wouldn't stop, made it drop. Shorty did that poppin' lock, had to break her off that guap. Yeah, I was fine just like McGlide. Apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a smash. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Come on.
Okay, salita na kayo. Yan po yung mga talunan. Ayan, nakulay orange. Kumatsada ka agad, oh. Yan po yung kadali ng katangahan. Boy, paso.
Tuwa na lang.
Parang papalag ka.
Yung pre ah.
Sayaw.
Tuwa na lang.
Sayaw mo na.